Zoo zaps gas line problem. The latest renovation at the Baton Rouge Zoo includes an important one that visitors will never see. Buried underneath the canal at the entrance is a new natural gas supply pipeline that will also protect the zoo and more than 200,000 annual visitors. Opened in 1970, the 103-acre Baton Rouge Zoo, located 15 minutes north of downtown, and has more than 800 animals from around the world. A recently completed 3-year, $50 million project revitalized the zoo and also added 7 animal exhibits, plus 12 buildings, and replaced the badly corroded steel gas supply pipeline that was suspended over the canal attached to the entrance bridge. Instead of putting in the new pipe the same way, the Gas Utilities District No. 1 ran 1,000 feet of PA-12, a high-performance thermoplastic polyamide pipe, under the canal. Because of its strength and flexibility, the pipe was able to be installed underground using horizontal direction drilling, HDD, which reduced costs and enhanced safety, both during installation and operation. The Gas Utilities District crew fused the pipe together with equipment they were already using for other polyethylene pipe installations for its nearly 4,000 customers. The PA-12 material was produced by Avonic Industries, and the pipe was extruded by Teal Plastics. The undertaking was named Project of the Year by the Energy Piping Systems Division of the Plastic Pipe Institute. Both companies are members of PPI. Thomas Smith, Operations Manager, East Baton Rouge Parish Gas Utilities District 1, said that they selected PA-12 for its 250 PSI rating and because they didn't have to use cathodic protection. Plus, the cost and time savings using PA-12 versus steel were incredible. Welding time was cut by more than half, and he said the crews didn't have to work in the roadway. Randy Knapp, Engineering Director of the Energy Piping Systems Division of PPI, said that for many years, steel was the only material available for gas distribution lines for pressures ranging between 125 and 250 psi. PA-12 is part of the Code of Federal Regulations for Regulated Gas Applications. His group developed a document called TR-50 that is specific to fusion of PA-12 pipe and fittings based on a comprehensive testing program. It is available at the Technical Reports section of the PPI website. Complete details about the Baton Rouge Zoo project can be found in the Pipeline and Gas Journal article. More information can be found at www.plasticpipe.org/energypiping systems.